Highway patrol trooper. Man, he's such a great
And he
football
started.
player. Right, coming up on Sports Final, we're going to look at the future, crystal ball out. What they need to do to make a real playoff win one of those games.